Hey guys, so today we'll be solving this question. So we're supposed to evaluate the double integral, and then evaluating the double integral will in fact give you the volume of the corresponding solid. So there are two ways to go about this problem. So there is one way where you'd in reality just go and evaluate the double integral. So just do this. And the other one, which I think is a smarter way, would be just, using the graph, since the graph has been given, using that to help us find the solution. So I'll be doing both. So in this part, I'll be going with the smarter or like easier, let's say easier solution, that is using the graph to help us find the answer. And in the second part, I'll be doing the integral as well. So to start off, we've been given that z is equal to under root 4 minus y squared. So this one, right? What does this tell us? That this tells us that z has to be greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because there cannot be a negative number inside the root, right? So z has to be greater than or equal to 0. So okay, that's the first thing we know. And after that, so if we are to do z squared is equal to 4 minus y squared, or like you can also look at it as 4 minus, or like a better way would be 4 minus y squared has to be greater than or equal to 0, right? So anything under root has to be greater, so like z squared has to be greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, that would be a better way to put it, right? So now we know that z squared plus y squared is equal to 4, right? Even without looking at this graph, you know that this is a circular cylinder with no restriction on x-axis, right? So, but since the graph has been given, we know that there is a restriction on x-axis. It is from 0 to 2, right here, 0 to 2, and there's a restriction also on the y-axis for the volume, for the 3D surface that is 0 to 2. So first, how we can go about this is find the area of this, 1/4 circle, like this area, right? Or like, this part. So the area for that would be, hold on, let me change it to a pen, right? Area of, 1/4 circle is equal to, area of a circle times divided by 4. So area of a circle is pi r square. So pi goes here. What is the radius for this, circle? It goes from 0, or like 0 to 2. So the radius is 2. So pi r square divided by, since it's 1/4 of a circle, it would be 4. And this 4 and 2 square cancel each other out. So this would be pi, since we don't know the unit, let's say unit square for now, right? So area of 1/4 circle is pi unit square. But now we're not asked to find the area, but the volume. So what would be the volume? The volume would be the area of the 1/4 circle, right? Times like this length. You can call it height, width, whatever you want, but then this length, right? Like this. So that would be, so volume is equal to area. Let me use the term height here. Height. So that would be area is by height again. Starts from 0, goes till 2. So it would be 2 minus 0, that is 2, is equal to 2 pi unit cube. Right? Didn't take us more than 2 minutes to solve this one, but here to do the integral, it's going to be much longer. But yeah, this is the final solution. The volume of the corresponding solid is 2 pi unit cube. And in the next part I'll be showing how you do the double integral. But thank you for joining me on this one.